Yeah.
Come bless your belly.
Alright, man. Yo, you done know, I forgot Jamaica, you know. Jerk chicken, everything. Me and my friend Nemo there. I bring the real vibes coming to London right now, Ontario right now. Richmond Street, first Caribbean store up on the block. Wake it, shake it, and bake it.
Some of the best home family cooking, real traditional food, great feel, great vibe, great flavor. You know what I'm saying? If you really want to come out and feel at home in Jamaica, come down on Richmond and come down to Mundy's, you feel me? And they open late.
So anytime anybody want the real Jamaican thing, Ayaso we there. You want to find it, 711 Richmond Street. Real Jamaican foods. We don't want the people and feel like everything's spicy. No, we do it regular for everybody. Kids, everybody can come and enjoy themselves.
This is real Jamaican food because the chef is from Kingston.
This is the best Jamaican spot in London, hands down. You're not getting anything like this around.
Can't complain. Jerk chicken on the grill. Oh gosh! Alright!